Muhura benso muske William Ruto ni gakagere gochiko irobora ya sentunda ya kabere asobo chole boneno mwaka bechirubere meronge bere netano nebere hayonkolengana no roboti kirene kyombe kya Infotrak. Muhura benso muske William Ruto ni gatangene kerengo kya meronge 3 na ibere igoro yemya kubatikwa na Kalonzo 13 igoro yemya kubatikwa nhere Dr. Fred Matiang'i amo na Edwin Sifuna ni gobabwate ekerengo 12 igoro yemya asekero yomo igatika shagwa obwati nainye igoro yemya bakwo wino obwati 3 igoro yemya David Marako obwati bere igoro yemya amona madhakarua osiekamo moneyemo igoro yemya asense moyendomo kwa ekero kebokonywo muraibense orengana ne kiombe kyo Professor Kithure Kindiki igatangane igoro ya 30 nene igoro yemya iradisi wanga 11 igoro yemya Oburu Odinga isano igoro yemya nere asanicho onyorainye igoro yemya.
The Vice President scores 27% preference. At 26% would prefer Fred Matiang'i to be their presidential candidate. Of course, Edwin Sifuna comes a distance, third, with a 19% mention, and former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has 9%. So, just in summary, we also have other candidates. Only 3% would prefer former CJ to be the presidential candidate for the United Opposition. Then Martha Karua has a 2%, George Natembea 1%, Eugene Wamalwa 1%, Okiya Mtata 1%, Honorable Babu Owino 1%. Then 10% are unsure on who they could consider. So, the key takeout, no much difference between the two leaders. It's, former Vice President Kalonzo and Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Notably, Edwin Sifuna has 19% as the third most preferred presidential candidate for the United Opposition. And of course, we can see it by region, who is preferred in which region, and by gender. More male would prefer Kalonzo, then also other age bands. You can see Matiang'i as his highest in Nairobi, 30, then 29 in Nyanza and Central Province. Sifuna as his highest in Western as the possible presidential candidate. Then of course, Nyanza and Coast are tied.